Cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Remove the two stoppers in the glove box. Lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1197 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the dampener arm. Reinstall the stoppers by matching the shape and then rotating clockwise. Close the glove box.